your light may go out. A student of Tendai Philosophical School of Buddhism came to the Zen abode of Gassen as a pupil. When he was departing a few years later, Gassen warned him, studying the truth speculatively is useful as a way of collecting preaching material. But remember that unless you meditate constantly, your light of truth may go out. It has got a very close connecting link with what I said. You purchased the laptop and if you do not, and it was downloaded, they had the Photoshop downloaded, and then for the editing they had premium. They purchased it. You have to purchase it. It's not available to purchase. You have to pay the company every month 2,500 or something like that. But anyhow, it has been done inside. And when we wanted to buy that, Chandra told us that we have to pay them through online. And when we went to pay, they said we will take only credit card, and our school doesn't have credit card. Then we request Chandra whether he can do something. Everything's been done, but follow up and then practicing is very, very important. Otherwise, your light truth is there, but inside the truth there's a light. The light of truth will go off. A student of Tendai Philosophical School of Buddhism came to the Zen abode of Gassen as a pupil. But when he was departing a few years later, Gassen warned him. Maybe Gassen was watching this boy. Like every school, every house knows the child is talking. He's got a public speech. He's a very good public speaker. He's very clever. He studies by heart. He's got a lot of good marks. He's getting clapped. All that drags you into an unconscious state. Unless studying the truth speculatively is useful as a way of collecting preaching material. Marrying the girl or getting married, speculatively useful as a way of collecting preaching material, collecting degrees and certificates to tell I got married. Or because everybody is constructing a house, I also want to construct a house. You blindly go to the engineer and go to the contractor and you get a very cheap third quality material unless you study. But remember that unless you meditate constantly, your light of truth may go on. Truth is truth. What is light inside the truth? Everywhere. You could have told it's a lie, but why Gassen said, let people believe so much of studies is gone. How could we force him to tell a lie? So let us not use the word lie. But in the truth, you have the house, you have your samskriti, you are staying with your family people, you are staying with your family people. That is the truth. That's because you married, that's the truth. Yes, you purchased a house, that's the truth. You got your wife and your husband's family connecting truth. People accepted you. But that house, inside the house, still you can hear the sound of the two-hand clapping. Well, that is the television sound. You can hear the sound of the two-hand clapping. That is the scream. You can hear the sound of the two-hand clapping, the arguments. But did you hear the sound of the one-hand clapping inside that house? Before you purchase the house, or after you purchase the house, after you marry, never mind. What will happen is happen inside the house. That samskriti is the light of truth. That early morning you get up, you drink 5 glasses of water, and immediately after that brush your teeth, rinse your mouth 18 times, and then you do the samskriti or intense samskriti, the pranayama, nostril blow, stomach pumping, anuloma viloma, and then you do your Surya Namaskar, or before you do your, better to do the Surya Namaskar. If the sun is up and sun rising, looking at the sunrise side, you open up your body and you do your Surya Namaskar. It stretches up the whole body, and then that bulk is very important. You light the lamp and sing the bhajan. When you light the lamp, sing the bhajan, then people and you can hear the sound of the one and clap. The light of truth inside. Have you watched the light of truth? Practicing, they said, Gassen said, remember that unless you meditate constantly, People in India have gone around preaching, collecting preaching, studying the truth speculatively is useful as a way of collecting preaching material. They have used the term meditate. And they went around the world, all the Swamijis, all the yogis, all the yoga masters, except Ramdev Maharaj is jumping and dancing a bit. But putting things into practical has not come even to Ramdev Maharaj also, Baba Ramdev. That collecting preaching material, but remember that unless you meditate, what is meditation? Practical things, putting into practical knowledge. Your meditation means looking, observing consciously. To observe and become conscious, meditation is good. Sitting closed eyes and allowing the mind to settle, even without sitting under the tree or sitting in closed eyes. Your dust can fall. No, in a practical world also you good observe if you have a passion on it. You can have a passion. How do you get the passion? How do you meditate with your wife? Just yesterday I was having a discussion with my staff, and I asked the lady, who is this man? And she said, he's my husband, Yajamandru. Yajamandru means he's the head of the family. Yajamandru means man who runs head of the family. Yajamandru in Kannada means it's something, you not call it a husband. Husband is softer. Yajamandru is something like a godly, powerful, as if he's a Maharaja. I said, you believe him? You think he's a god? She said, yes. Then you shouldn't carry things from other people and tell him and make a fight. She said, I won't do it. Then I told the man, every time the wife comes and tells you a problem to create a fight, or she's screaming, you must understand you forgot to light of truth. Truth was there, she's a wife, but you forgot to light a lamp in her. You forgot to give her love. Did you put your children onto your lap and hug the children and kiss? They are small baby kids. He said, yes. But did you ever think of keeping your wife on your lap and kissing her? Showing her love? When you married and brought her, that day you kissed, but now you don't even touch her. And he said, yes. That is the light of truth on your family. When you do that on your family, keeping the family on your lap and hugging and kissing, and then the joint family, keeping on joint family into your lap, you can see that's a practical thing of not collecting preaching materials, but getting involved in the rainwater harvesting and the solar. Make sure that you will not give any money to the electricity board. You will make sure the house is run on solar. You will have the water from the rainwater. Yes, because the ozone, it is medicinal, it is healthy, it is the light of truth. A student of Tendai, a philosophy school of Buddhism, came to the Zen abode of Gazin as a pupil. When he was departing a few years later, Gazin warned him. Studying the truth, studying the truth means building a house, getting a job, passing the examination, useful as a way of collecting preaching materials. It has got no practical sense. It has got no truth. But remember that unless you meditate constantly, meditate means you put it into practice and getting involved deeply with a bare heart and sweating with your loved ones, your light of truth may go out. All that you consider to just go in a day's time.